my beautiful friends, it's Amanda here, and today we're talking about the spring collection from ColourPop. I ordered a bunch of the products on the day it launched, as I have been known to do. I didn't get everything from the collection, but I got quite a few things. I really think this one is beautiful and fun and colorful, so I'm going to show you everything that I ordered. I'm also wearing a bunch of the products on my face today, so I will show you some lip swatches and a quick tutorial as well. First, let's talk about the product that I was the most excited to see, and that's this little cheek duo. This is available in 3 different shades. These duos retail for $16 on the ColourPop website. There's a more purpley pink one, there's a more pale nudie one, and then there's this more coral toned kind of orangey one. I'm a huge fan of these cheek duos from ColourPop, so I probably will go back and get the more nude shade one, but something about this color was just really exciting to me. I tend to go towards more muted nudie pink type of blushes, so this is very different for me, and I gotta say I really love it. I'm wearing it on my cheeks today, and I just mixed both shades together and swept it all over my cheeks. I was really afraid it was going to be too bright for me, and while it is really pigmented, a little bit goes a long way. I absolutely love the way that this looks. And can we talk about how freaking cute and fun the packaging is on this? It's so bright and colorful. It has this almost like Southwest feel to me. There's a lot of like bugs and beetles, butterflies, succulents. It's very spring. It's a different take on spring. It's not all pastel Easter eggs and flowers, and I love it. I think it's really exciting. It's definitely getting me in the mood for warmer weather. This is the highlighting cheek duo in the shade Just Do It. This really bright corally blush is a very soft matte. This one's called Zip. The more pale orange side is called Zoom, and it definitely has a sheen to it. They look beautiful mixed together. You could also use this one just as a topper. I'm so excited to see more of these cheek duos. I love the double play duo, and I think I'm probably gonna have to go back for another one. The next thing I want to talk about are these Lux Lipsticks. I did a video previously on some of the original Lux Lipsticks, and there are a bunch of new shades for the spring collection. I ordered 3. These are still selling for $7 a piece. The outer carton packaging is the special packaging for spring, but the lipsticks themselves still look exactly the same. So they have the same rose gold tube with the stars, and then the lipstick bullet is also printed with stars. I think for only ordering 3 shades, I got a pretty good variety. I ordered the shade Angel City. It's a very interesting color. It's almost a pinky red. It's not orangey. It's not deep and dark. It's a bright berry red. Very beautiful with a more toned down eye look. I would love this to be my statement point of my makeup. I got this shade called Afterglow, which is a medium rosy pink. I think this one looks a little bit darker in the tube than it does on the lips. I've been going for more pink lipsticks lately, and I really like this one. Lastly, I got the shade Tiptoe. That's the shade that I'm wearing throughout the video today. It's a classic nude on me. I think it looks more pale tan brown in the tube, and it looks a little bit more of a pinky nude on my lips. Either way, I love it. I can tell this is going to be a go-to for me. Lastly, I ordered a bunch of Super Shock shadows. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I've been really into the pressed powder palettes, and while I've been enjoying my ColourPop palettes so much, I've kind of been neglecting my Super Shock shadows, and this collection really got me excited about using Super Shocks again. All I'm wearing on my eyes today are Super Shock shadows, so I'm going to show you how I got this eye look, but first let me show you swatches of the eyeshadows that I chose. The first thing that I picked up was this Pretty Fly set. First of all, it comes in this gorgeous box, and this isn't some flimsy box. This is a serious cardboard box. This is so pretty. This is definitely going on display. It says Pretty Fly on the front, and then on the back it tells you all the shadows inside, and the shadows are also listed inside here, which I love. I love that they're starting to do that more. This set is sold for $25, and it comes with 6 Super Shock shadows, so it's definitely a great value as long as you're excited about all the shades in the set, because it is sort of like getting 1 Super Shock for free. I also got 2 other singles separate from the Pretty Fly set, and these were $5 a piece. My ring light is messing with it, but these have have special packaging. There are little butterflies on the lids. So stinking cute. These are the two single shadows that I got. This one's called Bumblebee. This color is insane. As soon as I saw pictures of this, I knew I was gonna order it. And this one's called EXO. It's a little bit hard to tell with the ring light on, but this one has a glitter finish. This is just a shimmery metallic. These are so pretty. So here are the swatches from the Pretty Fly kit. There's 2 satins, 2 glitters, and 2 metallics. On the top row, we have Force Behavior, which is a glitter. Goodbye Butterfly, which is a satin. And Three's a cloud, which is metallic. Then down here we have Flux With You, which is metallic. Socialize, a glitter. The last satin is this really cool plummy brown called Up in the Air. Just look at those swatches. Now that you've seen all the swatches, I'm gonna show you how I got this eye look using these Super Shock shadows, and then I'll wrap up all my thoughts on the collection at the end. I'm starting off using my favorite eye base. It's my MAC Paint Pot in the shade Painterly to prime my eyelids. Then I'm gonna set that eye base using my MAC Studio Water Weight Powder to give a nice smooth surface to work on. Then I'm gonna start building in some color with the shade Goodbye Butterfly. I'm just using my finger and dabbing that into my crease area. Then I will go back and blend that out with a brush later. But first I'm gonna use the shade Bumblebee all over my lid using my pointer finger to really pack that shade on. I want it to be super bold and super bright. Now I'm going back with my crease shade and I'm taking that on a synthetic blending brush to blend out the edges of the shade Bumblebee. Then I used my pinky finger to apply the shade Flux With You to the inner corner for a bright highlight. And I'm gonna go over the shade Bumblebee with this one called Force Behavior. I really lightly apply that over top with my finger for a sparkly finish. And I'm using Goodbye Butterfly again, this time on a synthetic flat brush for my lower lash line. Then I curled my lashes and added some of my Physicians Formula Killer Curves mascara, and that's my finished look. This is so bright, yet so pretty, feminine, just perfect for spring. It's no surprise, I'm sure. I love this collection. The packaging is gorgeous, bold, bright, a little bit unexpected, but still totally appropriate for spring. That's how I feel about the shades in this collection too. They're bright, they're lively, but it's not the usual pale, pastel-y kind of thing that we're used to for spring. It's a little bit more bold, but it's still soft, it's still pretty. It's just kind of perfect. They released all my favorite things. I love the Lux Lipsticks. I love the Super Shock shadows. I'm so glad that it's Super Shocks instead of a palette. You know that I love my ColourPop palettes, but this has really reignited my excitement for my ColourPop Super Shock shadows, and I love seeing a new face duo. They just mixed it up, but they still delivered that same ColourPop awesomeness that we always expect from them. I love how my makeup turned out. I just love it all. That's all I can say. I just love it all. I'm feeling it. I'm excited about it. I'm gonna be blowing up Instagram with pictures of it. Kind of already have. As always, I'd love to hear what you think about this collection. Did you order anything? Are you excited about these bright shades like I am? Please leave a comment and let us know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. What does that even mean? More cheek I'm distracted by my really colorful, glittery, fun, bright eyeshadow. Oh, these are so pretty! The shade Bumblebee is just, there aren't words that come at the end of that sentence, apparently. ColourPop, yet again, just rocking my world, as they do, and staining my hand, as they also do. Maybe it's time for a fresh wipe. Will I be able to film another video today? We'll see. Only time will tell. Yeah, I think I might have just stained myself with this Bumblebee shade, which is all over my lids, so hopefully I didn't stain my lids. Oops. I don't even want to wipe the swatches off. That's when you know that they're pretty. Glitter hands. Old glitter hands, that's what they call me. It's actually not the worst nickname I've ever heard. You know the drill. Or do you? Maybe you don't. Super Shock shadow. Let's just say it on purpose since I always. Super Shock. Dang it. I keep staring at my eyeshadow because this whole like sunset glitter vibe that I have going on is just, I'm feeling myself and I'm not gonna apologize for it. Okay, I gotta film another one, so don't distract me. Also, I'm gonna look exactly like this in another video probably. Bye.